Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a beer box cowboy hat. Cut along the printed edges to form the brim and crown pieces. Fold and score firmly so the hat keeps its shape, and use tape or glue to secure seams. Trim excess cardboard, reinforce critical joints with extra strips, and decorate with paint, ribbon, or decals for a custom look. I'll share friendly tips to make the hat durable and comfortable. Start by measuring head circumference and mark the crown pattern on the flat box panel. Score along fold lines to make crisp creases, then cut out brim and crown pieces carefully with sharp scissors or a box cutter. Test fit the crown, trimming a little at a time until it sits comfortably. Reinforce seams with tape or glue, and shape the brim with gentle bends to get that classic cowboy curve. Take your time and be patient. Reinforce high-stress areas like the crown base and brim edge with extra cardboard strips glued inside. Add a lightweight liner or cloth tape on the interior for comfort and to absorb sweat. Create a decorative hat band from ribbon, twine, or a strip of cardboard covered in fabric, attaching it securely with glue. If you plan to wear the hat outdoors, seal it lightly with a clear spray or varnish to protect from moisture while keeping the look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.